go ahead and get this one right here. We have a 1965 Ford Mustang 2+2 fastback. Original red color, chrome headlights. The hood does open up. The blister pack's not in the best shape, but it's in pretty good. Now this one does come with a card right here in the back. Pony Power, beautiful red Mustang. Release number 1. www.johnnylightning.com. 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. This is a faded yellow color with a white spoiler on the back. Check out the engine in there, painted orange. Nice looking car. Here's the back of the package.